A while ago, a friend of mine recommended that I look at this dying mangrove forest in Merces. So, as you can see, it's all but dead. But one thing I noticed is that there is one tree bang in the middle of everything which is still alive. And I kept coming back here every few months to basically monitor the progress of this tree. And I found that while everything else around it just withered away, the tree stood tall. So I gave it a name. I called her Asha. Asha means hope. And as you can see, everything else is either dying or dead, but Asha still stands tall. There are many reasons that people attribute to this. One of them is basically this road, which cut across two sides of the mangrove forest, one on the other side and one over here. So when this road was made, it basically cut the supply of the seawater that keeps us alive. So back when the bypass was made, there were culverts added. First, these were just two small pipes. Then the government opened up the road and made this a whole wide culvert. That happened a few months ago. But even after that, the forest doesn't seem to be responding. It doesn't seem to be coming alive. If anything, it's just dying more and more. But Asha is still alive. So what I did is I basically placed on Google Maps the location of this tree. So if you go to Google Maps and search for Asha, the last mangrove standing, you'll find its location. I'll keep continuing coming here to see what the progress is. This is very sad.